Giants were coming at me from all directions. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. With one mighty stroke of my trusty sword, I slew them all. The door! Answer the door! Methinks my royal subjects are not as brave as their brave king. I'll answer the door. Who's there?
Help! Help! Come in! Help!
Well, what's your name?
I'm Felix the cat. Who are you?
I'm old King Cole, the very old soul, and not afraid of anything.
Not even lightning?
Not even lightning. Why, I remember one storm when 10,000 bolts of lightning...
Methinks yon royal braggart is unusually windy today.
...sounded in my ears...
He giveth thee a royal pain in the neck.
...and wild elephants. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. I'm not afraid of anything.
Get off the air.
What was that?
Ghost!
I don't believe in ghosts.
Neither do we. What sayest we take the wind out of yon windbag? Let's give him the white. Come on, fellers.
Brag, brag, brag. Talking, talking, bragging, bragging. Always growing, always growing. Yeah, 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 yeah. You talk too much, you talk too much. You never shut up, you talk too much. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're talking, 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 talking all the time. You brag too much, you brag too much. You never shut up, you brag too much. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're bragging, 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 bragging all the time. We'll take the wind out of this windbag.
I was surrounded by 1,000 lions, but was I afraid? Not me.
Now we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see if he can take it.
Now we'll give you a dose of your own medicine.
But was I afraid? Not old King Skull. Coming the wildcat, I grabbed my pocket knife and punched at the knife. He charged toward me. Take it away! Take it away! I'll never do it again! Take it away! I can't stand it! 49 elephants.
Stop it!
I followed at the very heels, applying my knife to left and right, and leaving a trail of wounded beasts in my wake. By the time we reached the middle of the desert, there were only 3 elephants left. I caught them all 3 at once. Was I afraid? Not me. I'm not afraid of anything. Strangled with my bare hand. Pounded in my ears. Bumping the wildcat, I grabbed my pocket knife and punched at the leader. He charged toward me. There to restore with his foot. But was I afraid? Beaten by the might of the fearless King Cole. I'm not afraid of anything.
You said it.
Well, we show them who's boss around here. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. My boy, for your bravery in protecting your king, I crown thee Prince Felix.
We're not afraid, are we?
Not old King Cole.
And Felix the cat.